Hi friends, welcome to KVR Maths Academy. In this video, let's discuss first problem in exercise 3.4 in polynomials of 10th class mathematics. Right? So before doing this problem, friends, please subscribe my YouTube channel, those who are not subscribed yet. Thank you. Yes, let's discuss the problem. Yeah. See, this is the first question. Divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x and find the quotient and the remainder in each of the following. See, divide the polynomial p of x by polynomial g of x and find the quotient and the remainder in each of the following. Here three cases have given. I have taken first case. Right, p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. G of x is equal to x square minus 2. This is the first one. After that, I will explain the remaining two also. Right? Yeah. First one take. Solution. What has given? Given p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3 and g of x is equal to x square minus 2. Right? We have to divide p of x by g of x. That is only I have given polynomial. Divide the polynomial p of x by the polynomial g of x, which means here this is the dividend and this is the divisor, right? P of x is the dividend and g of x is the remainder. Now let us take here. See, this is x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. This is the dividend. Divisor is x square minus 2. Right. So how can you divide these polynomials? See first one here, this is the cubic polynomial, right? This is the cubic polynomial and this is the quadratic polynomial, right? In the cubic polynomial, what is the first term? X cube is the first term. In the quadratic polynomial, x square is the first term, right? Cubic first, in first step we have to divide the first term in the cubic polynomial by next first term in the quadratic polynomial x square, which means first term in the dividend by first term in the divisor. Right? X cube by x square is? Yes, exactly. X, right? Yeah. So the first term in the quotient is x. So now here x into x square is x. X into minus 2 is minus 2x. Here minus 2x, right? In the x term, below the x term we have to write the another x term. Right, here not there x square term, here put plus 0x square, right? Not there any x term, so that's why keep 0x square. Now subtract these x cube. Here whenever we subtracting this term, this polynomial, what we have to write? We have to change the symbols. This is minus, minus, plus. It will be plus, no? That's why I have changed the symbol minus. This is plus, minus, minus, plus. Understood, clear? Yeah, x cube minus x cube get cancelled. Minus 3x square plus minus x square. 0x square means minus 3x square, right? Next, 5x plus 2x. Here minus 2x become as plus 2x, no? That's why 5x plus 2x will be how much? Plus 7x. Right? Now put down minus 3, right? Put down minus 3. Here again we have to take the first term in this one. What is the first term? Yes, minus 3x square is the first term in the dividend. Divisor is x square by x square. X square get cancelled. The remaining part is minus 3. So minus 3 keep here. This is the second term in the quotient, right? Yeah, minus 3 into x square is minus 3x square. Minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6. Here 6 means here constant. Below the constant we have to write plus 6. Right? Here not there x term. So write down 0x. Understood clearly? Yes. We have to subtract this, no? So we have to change the symbols, right? Yeah. Signs. That is, this will be plus. This is minus, minus. These both get cancelled. 7x minus 0x is 7x. Minus 3 minus 6 minus 9. See, here 7x minus 9 we got, no? So the degree of this polynomial is 1. That's why this is a linear polynomial. Here degree of this polynomial is 2, quadratic polynomial. So always the degree of r of x is less than the degree of g of x, right? Why? By the division algorithm itself we have learned in the concept video, right? Yes. So it is linear polynomial, it is quadratic polynomial. So the degree of this one is less than the degree of divisor, no? So that's why this is the remainder, this is the remainder, this is the quotient. Here remainder we will show as r of x, right? Next quotient can be shown as q of x, right? Yes. Therefore from this data we can clearly write divisor, dividend, write down dividend p of x, dividend p of x is equal to x cube minus 3x square plus 5x minus 3. Next divisor g of x is equal to x square minus 2. Next quotient q of x is equal to x minus 3 and the remainder r of x is equal to 7x minus 9. So already dividend and divisor he has given. We have found quotient and the remainder. Quotient is q of x is x minus 3 and remainder r of x is 7x minus 9. Have you understood clearly? Yes, note it down. Next, second one, p of x is equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. G of x is equal to x square plus 1 minus 6. Right here, this degree is 4 and this degree is 2. Right? Yeah, let us write first solution. P of x is equal to x power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5 and g of x is equal to, write in order. So first x square term, next x term, next constant. Right? So this is 4th degree polynomial and this is quadratic polynomial, right? So we have to divide p of x by g of x. Let us do now. So write on here, first x power 4 term is there, x square term, next x term, constant term is there. Here not there any cube term, right? So write like this. See here, x power 4, not there any cube term, no, plus 0x cube, next minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. So this is the divisor. Next dividend is, sorry, this is the dividend. Divisor is x square minus x plus 1. Understood? Yeah. So what will you do now here? Yes, here first term in dividend is x power 4. In first term in divisor is x square. Alright. So first term here. This is x power 4 by x square. So how much will you get? X power 4 by x square is x square. So the first term in the quotient is x square. X square into x square, x power 4 minus x into x square minus x cube, right? Next plus 1 into x square plus 1x square. So we have got x cube term only now, that's why I have taken 0x cube. Understood? Yeah. So whenever we subtracting we have to change the signs, right? This is minus, this is plus, this is minus. So x power 4 get cancelled. 0x cube plus x cube. Yes, exactly x cube only. Minus 3x square minus x square. This will be minus 4x square. Understood? Now put down plus 4x. Right. Yeah. In this the remainder, what is the first term? X cube only now. X cube is the first term. Here first term is x square. Yes, x cube by x square is exactly x. So next term in the quotient is plus x. X into x square is x cube. Plus into minus x into x square. Plus into plus is plus. X into 1, 1x. Right, again we have to subtract. Right, whenever we subtracting we have to change the signs. This will be minus plus minus. Understood here, because minus is there, that's why I have changed it plus. Here plus is there, I have changed it like this minus. Right? Yeah, here plus x cube minus x cube get cancelled. Minus 4x square plus x square. How much? Yeah, minus 3x square. Plus 4x minus x plus 3x plus 5 put down. Right, plus 5 put down. Next here, this is quadratic polynomial, this is also quadratic polynomial. Here first term in this quadratic polynomial is minus 3x square. But here first term is x square. X square get cancelled, so answer is minus 3. So next term in the quotient is minus 3. So minus 3 into x square. Minus 3x square. Minus into minus plus 3x, 3 into x, 3x. And minus into plus minus 3 into 1, 3. Yes, change the symbols. This is minus only, no? This plus, minus, plus, right? Yeah, minus 3x square get cancelled. 3x minus 3x get cancelled. Plus 5 plus 3 plus 8. So this is the remainder. So quotient is this one. Understood clearly? Now write down by the data, therefore dividend P of x is equal to what? X power 4 minus 3x square plus 4x plus 5. Already has given. Next divisor g of x is equal to x square minus x plus 1. This both has given. We have found remainder r of x is equal to how much? 8. Next quotient q of x is equal to x square plus x minus 3. So have you understood about this clearly? Yes, note it down. Next, third question. P of x is equal to x power 4 minus 5x plus 6 and g of x is equal to 2 minus x square has given. So this is the polynomial of degree 4 and this is the quadratic polynomial. Right? Yes, write down. Solution. P of x is equal to given. P of x is equal to x power 4 minus 5x plus 6 and g of x is equal to 2 minus x square. So in order if you write means it will be minus x square plus 2. Right. Here in P of x power 4 is there, after that x term is there. So there is no x cube term and x square term. So how can you take? Yes, let us take x power 4 plus 0x cube plus 0x square minus 5x plus 6. Right. See on order 4, 3, 2, 1, not there, which means constant term. Right. So in order we have taken. Next, this is the dividend. Next divisor is minus x square plus 2. Here not the x term, so need not to be taken, right? Yeah. So what is the first step while doing this division? This is the divisor and this is the dividend and this is the divisor, no? So the first term in the dividend by first term in the divisor. So that is how much? First term is x power 4 by here first term in the divisor is minus x square. So how many times get cancelled? X square times get cancelled, minus is there. So minus x square is the first term in the quotient, right? So this is minus x square. Minus x square into minus x square, this will be plus positive x power 4. Next plus into minus 2x square. Here 2x square term has got, right? Yeah, minus 2x square. So there is no 0x cube put. So here whenever we're doing subtraction, we have to change the signs. So this is minus plus. These both get cancelled. 0x cube need not to be taken. Next 0x square plus 2x square is 2x square. Minus 5x put down. Minus 5x. Right. Here In the remainder itself, not as the remainder, this is in these terms, first term is 2x square, right? 2x square. Next, in the divisor itself, this is the minus x square term. Minus x square. X square get cancel. Answer is minus 2. So next is minus 2. Next term is minus 2. Here minus 2 into minus x square is plus 2x square. Minus into plus. Minus 4. 2 to the 4 has come. So not their constant term. So that's why this also put down. Plus 6 also put down. Right? Yes, this will be minus 4. Yes, this is 0x. Not there anything means 0x. Here now change the symbols. Minus, this will be plus. Plus 2x square minus 2x square get cancelled. This will be minus 5x plus 6 plus 4 plus 10. So this is the remainder and this is the quotient. So have you understood about this? Yes, now write down. Dividend P of x is equal to, has given x power 4 minus 5x plus 6. Next, divisor g of x is equal to 2 minus x square. Also he has given. Next, quotient q of x is given that we have found that minus x square minus 2. Isn't it? Next, remainder r of x is equal to what we have got? Minus 5x plus 10. So have you understood this one? Yes, note it down. Okay friends, if you like my video, please like and share. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much.